So we are studying the weak verbs, the three forms. Weak verbs are formed by adding to the present D, T and ED. Alright. Now we have some more in L. Let's look at it. I have here lend. You lend a helping hand to your friend, to your mama. Lend. Okay? Or you lend a pencil, you lend your book for somebody to lend, and here passes lent. Okay? And again the past participle also lend. You are lent, you lent. Your D and your past is formed by adding T. Lent. Now, light. You see the light. You say light. Light the lamp. You light a candle. When you finish, you say you lit. What will you say? You lit the lamp. You lit the candle. Light, lit, similarly lit. Now, in light, to form the plural, you can also say lighted. You can also say not only lit, lighted. Did you, I light? Light? Yes, yes, I lighted. Or lit. Okay. So you have two ways of forming light. Lie, you tell lies, when we don't want to be really revealed, you took something or you did something, so you tell a lie to cover up, not to find out. Now, then when you are finished, you say the past, lied. You told a lie, Mama, I'm sorry, I lied. Okay, you tell a lie, you lied for the past, and the past participle same. Speaking falsely. Lose. Mommy gives you a lot of pen and you go lose. You lose your bag, you lose your pen. Then you come and say lost. The past is formed by adding the you lost. So past participle also lost. Then we have make. You make a cake. So you can say, I made a cake. Make. Now, you make a sand castle. When you play, then you can say, in the past, you say, you made. You made a cake. Alright, you make a cake or past made. Mean. You say something and you say, I mean this. In the past, you'll say, I meant this. So, mean, I'm saying, I mean, I will come early. Okay, mean. Now, meant. I meant that I will come at 5 o'clock only. That's what you meant. And in the past participle also meant. Mean, meant. Then we have meet. Come, let's meet and have a fun. Then in the past you say met. So you friends meet at a particular place. Then you say you met. Your old friends meet, met. Then melt. The ice melt. Then you say ice melted. Melt, melted. You hold in your hand with the warmth of your hand, the ice melted. For the past participle also melted. Melt, melted. So let's look at all the words we have done here. We are talking about weak verbs. To form the past tense, for the weak verbs, we have to add ed, tod to the present to form the past. Now, in the weak verbs, most of the past and past participle are almost same. Most of the time it's same. Now let's look at lend, lent, lent. Light, lit, lit, or light, lighted, lighted. Lie, lied, lied. Lose, lost, lost. Make, made, made. Mean, meant, meant. Meet, met, met. And finally, melt, melted, and melted again. We have some more to go.